Hi, this is Lori, and this is my homework for Paul McWhorter's Pico W course, lesson number 9. In this homework, we've been asked to use pulse width modulation to control the brightness of an LED. The program will prompt the user to give a number between 0 and 3.3, representing the voltage that we want to send to our pulse width modulation object. And that will control the brightness of our LED, with 0 volts being off and 3.3 volts being fully on. Here's the code we'll use to do this homework. I have my my project all set up on here. I have some extra LEDs on here. I'm only going to use this one. This is for the next lesson, and I just wanted to keep them on here because we're going to use a potentiometer, and I'm going to demonstrate a few things with these other red LEDs. So this part of the circuit's not needed for lesson 9. This is what we'll need here. So that's all set up, and I'm going to use my little trick with the putting a little black enclosure around the LEDs so we can see it better. So I'll just put that over it. And let's just take a quick look at the code. Here's our scale function that I've gone through before in previous homeworks. And here's where we set up the LED with pulse width modulation, be on pin 13, GPIO 13, setting up the frequency. Pretty simple program. I'm using try and accept so that we can quit gracefully and turn off the LED. Then we'll ask the user what voltage they'd like, and then we'll go ahead and scale that to the proper scale, and we'll send that that request 16-bit number to our duty U16 function. We'll print that to the screen and we'll sleep for a second. So pretty simple homework, I think. Let's see how it goes. There we go. So let's just turn it on. 3.3, that should be full brightness. And yep, that's all the way up. How about we go to 0, which should go off. And let's do something in between. 1.65 should be in between, and you can see that's halfway between 0 and 65, 535, so that makes sense. Let's try something pretty small like 0.05, and that should get fairly dim, and it does. Can we go down to 0.01? It's still barely visible. Not sure it's going to show up on the on this video, but maybe. We'll go ahead and turn it off. It works pretty well, and in the program, so everything should be off, and it is. It's a great homework, and thanks for the lesson, Paul.